Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing or unpackaging to share with you guys. This was sent by someone named Byron, and I am thoroughly confused by it. I have no idea what's in there. I can't tell. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. Seriously, we have a good time on Patreon. So come check it out. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. We also have fun on Instagram. Anyways, enough shameless plugging. All right, what do we... Oh, okay. Now, hang on a second. What is this? Holy moly. What do we have here? Hey, MC, first off, I just want to let you know how great you are. Your videos help me get through the stress of grad school. Oh, cool, man. That's awesome. Especially your various impressions. You're hilarious and entertaining. Oh my gosh, my ego right now is just soaring. And I appreciate you. That's very kind. Thank you, sincerely. I only use Instagram for memes, so I'll just plug yours instead. And then he says, Card Slam. Okay, so, and then here's the information on this. Yeah, so, okay. Oh my gosh, this is going to be freaking crazy. So let me open this up. First time I've ever experienced. This is not a review. This came from Polish Custom Knives, obviously. If you're not familiar with Polish Custom Knives, they're the hot stuff right now. So I'll link them down below. Make sure you guys check them out. Oh boy. So I think this is going to be a crazy, this is going to be kind of a wild one, guys. Oh boy. Let's see. Ooh, okay. Look at this sheath. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Wow. That is wonderful. Okay, so let's undo that carefully. And ooh, hot mama, that is a spicy meatball. Holy moly, that is sick. So, got my innards all twisted up. So this is a Greg Forge Fighter 5. It's Greg. In fact, I have his Instagram here. Let me carefully put this down. Wow. And I'm going to fold that so that you guys can get a look here. I don't want to give any unnecessary information away. So his Instagram is Gregory _ Verisnikov. I guarantee I butchered that, but there you go. If you want to follow him, this is San Mai L-Max Damascus hardened to 61. Wow, that is killer. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man. So we have, man, that is just beautiful. That blade. Oh my gosh, look at this. The carbon fiber. This whole thing is just big, thick chunks of carbon fiber that are flattened out up here and they're pinned, right? Obviously this is full tang. You can see San Mai, of course. This is a L-Max that's being sandwiched with Damascus, as far as I understand it. So the core is L-Max, and then we have a polished Damascus jacket in San Mai style. That is just beautiful. And it's also hand-meltingly, that's not a word, the hand-melting perfection on the ergonomics. Wow, that is comfortable. That's weird that shape, with the back being curved like that, it just ends up being so comfortable. I mean, part of the reason why is because it's a fixed blade and we don't have to deal with a pocket clip, but my goodness, that is beautiful. So I'm not really a fixed blade channel, but I remember seeing a picture of this and going, wow, that is freaking epic. I think I would like to at least take a look at it. So just so you guys know, I don't know that I'll do a comprehensive review on this. This is obviously a custom fixed blade. This is a handmade fixed blade. I might do a show and tell or a presentation on it, right? Kind of learn a little bit about the maker and just gather some details and do a short video, something like that. But this is the type of stuff that I just like to share with you, right? Yes, stuff like this is expensive, right? Not going to be as much as the same thing made into a folding knife, but yeah, it's going to be freaking expensive, right? Well, it just does the same thing as any other knife with a blade. Why are you paying so much money? Shut up with that. Like, do you really not understand why people say that, right? Do you not understand that this territory of knife is appealing for an entirely different reason, right? Alongside, not that it's dismissing the idea of utility, but beyond just the utility of it, right? Always get one person saying that as if we're just poor simpletons who don't know better. Well, golly, I never thought, that I could buy a Maracniv and it'd do the same thing. Yeah, thanks. We know. We got our own reasons for liking stuff like this. Oh man, ridiculous. That is beautiful. I still can't get over the sheath. Holy crap, that's just really, really nice. I love it. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for the unboxing today. Thank you so much again to the gentleman who sent this in for me to take a look at. Very nice. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Make sure to check out Polish Custom Knives because, wow, literally everything I've handled that has come from Polish Custom Knives has been incredible. But yeah, that's going to be pretty much it today. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.